Today, in this session, we are going to learn two important things with Python. Number one, in earlier videos, we were writing the file name. We were not browsing the file. Today, in this session, we will discuss how to browse the file and select the file and then work on it. Second, we are going to discuss how to draw a bar graph. See, there is a difference between histogram and bar graph. Histogram groups the data. They are considered in ranges. Histogram works on quantitative data. Bars touch each other, hence there are no spaces between bars. Bar graph is for categorical data. Bars do not touch each other, hence there are spaces between bars. Elements are taken as individual entities. Let us see the images of histogram and bar graph. See the bar graph. They do not touch each other. Bars do not touch each other. And they are for the categorical data. And for every item, frequencies have been shown. But in histogram, they group the data. And histogram is usually used to see, observe, visualize whether the data is normally distributed. Now, I will go directly to Jupyter, where we will first write the commands. We will import one package which will help us to browse the files, and then you can select one of the file to work on it, and then automatically the window will close. Let us go to Jupyter. I have already opened Python 3 in Jupyter. I have named this file also browse files and bar chart. Now in this, because I am going to browse the file, so I am going to use a command import tkinter, and also I am going to import certain files and pandas also for my other statistical work for bar chart. Let me write the commands. I have written the commands import tkinter as tk, import pandas as pd, and very important is file dialog. Import file dialog from tkinter, and I am going to import other files from the tkinter, that is named it star, and then from tkinter I am going to. Let us run this. It's already it has already been imported. Now I am going to create a window. This window will open the file dialog. Then it will save my file path somewhere, and then from the file path there will be another dialog, df data frame. We will write it in the data frame. See, I have created win, which is equal to tk, because tk intercept tk we have already imported. So it will create a window. This window size will be 500 into 500 units. You can say win geometry 500 500. Now we will save the file name, which will be opened by file dialog.askopenfilename. Ask open file name. It will save the path of that file, and then we will have to immediately destroy the window. because if you don't destroy the window, it will remain open. Even if you close the program, that will remain open. So we'll have to finish it off that. So our main command is win.destroy. So that window which we have created, it will have to close. So it will close after 3 seconds. Win.after 3000, win.destroy. And then df will be our PD. PD will read the Excel file which we have saved it in FP. So df is PD dot read Excel FP. Now we have to make the bar. I have written the command ax is equal to df.plot.bar rot is equal to 0. Rot means it will start from 0. Let us run this. When you run this, automatically a window will open. If you can't see this window, there will be down in on your taskbar. Just check it. I'm going to just select it test2. This window will open directly in the library which you have, the directory which you have already used recently. So that's why it will open. Otherwise, it will. You can select any of the directories, CD, but wherever your files are there, you can select it. And I am going to select this one, and it will draw the. Because we have got only one column there, frequency, so it is calculating frequencies of 0, 1, 2. How many frequencies are there? So it is going. Let us say I'm going to use run, and I'm going to use the test3. I'm going to test 3. Let us see how this test3 creates the bar chart. See, it is coming as education. Colors are being created automatically. Education, position, sector, Q1, Q2, Q4, Q6. So they have been created with the colors. Bars have been created. You can stack the bars. Stacked equal to. Let us run it. Run. You can select the file. And bars will riding on each other. See this. Age, income, score, height, study. And it is telling us the next one with the color, age, and then income. So income is your this one color, pink color, red color, you can color, and then score is coming up with this. So they are on each other, they are being shown on. These are the stacked. So my new commands to you: filedialog.askopenfilename after importing tkinter. See, there are functional packages. They have been developed by the people while working hard. So they are the packages we can use directly in our Python. Win.geometry, that will be the box which we are going to create the browse files. And then we will destroy it, and then pandas will read the Excel file, and then you can plot this file. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will try to see and create pie chart in our new file. And then we will also learn how to use the pie chart for various columns by using our commands which we learned in part 11, 13, 12. Can also attempt in this program how to select particular column and then how to select all the columns. So whatever the commands you have learned menu-driven program in your earlier videos, you can use it here, practice it. Thanks for watching.